Hey guys, welcome to the apocalypse. No, I'm just kidding. We're getting ready to go pick up a few things at the store. Kind of hoping the store has a few things. We'll be all right if they don't, but it's crazy.
Nobody up here is freaking out.
Some people are.
Not very many, I just...
Not to the level of people in California. My mom is convinced though that whatever happens in California will happen here. That's what I thought. No, it's not quite the same group of people.
We'll be in lawn chairs, eating popcorn, facing west.
In the blizzard, because we have a blizzard coming in this weekend.
The only person in the Shea family that does not have green eyes is her mom. She has brown eyes.
You're welcome.
What can I say?
You need a jacket.
You're welcome. You're gonna have to wear a different jacket probably.
Mom, over there.
No. It's a little funny.
You were making noise too.
I know. We've gone back to work now, and the first day we did was butts and guts, and so our legs are super sore. Daddy. Are you serious? Cavan keeps saying I broke him.
You did broke me.
I broke into you?
You broke me. I told Maria, I was like, we did butts and guts, and she was like, what? I was like, yeah, worked out our butts and guts.
Trying to get in the car. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh! I'm in.
Guess what?
Wait for it. Let me borrow the camera, babe. Y'all see that?
You were the last one who drove the car.
Right there? Yeah.
It's your fault, Dad. You're the one who
We
left
definitely get
the car.
3 weeks out of a tank.
It is not Mom's.
I would have got gas the other day, but the wind was blowing like 30 miles an hour. My hair was trying to choke me. My life was in danger, so I just had to come home.
No. Daddy was the last person to use the car.
Also, yeah. Like Keely said, he drove the car just a little bit ago. He could have got gas.
So this thing says 50 miles. And when I got in there yesterday, it said 45. When it goes on empty, it starts at 50. Yesterday it said 45.
I think it meant
And now it's
52.
5 more today?
Oh, now it's 44
Oh, whatever.
because I drove a mile.
May you always find your way to higher ground.
So we're in here because I bought Keely a little cheap fan and it broke already. Cavan thinks he can find a fastener here at Home Depot that will work for it. I told him Hobby Lobby is probably the place to go, but he's trying to avoid that. Yep, go ahead, scan it.
Please scan your items. When you're finished,
Put it in the bag.
select the Pay Now button.
Look. There's like a little X so you know where you're at.
Boom, put it in the bag.
Okay, press me.
Boom. Wait, you might have to. Hey friends, it's a couple days later. We've pretty much stocked up on all the essentials. Now we're working on, well, just complying with social distancing, I guess. Just talked with the kids about everything that's going on. It snowed here. We had a blizzard over the weekend, but we want to get outside, get a little fresh air.
You want to get outside. But
Yeah.
since she mentioned snow, we're going.
Yeah, the kids don't seem to think they want to go outside,
I
but
wanna go. I want
I think
to.
they're going to be happy to have some sticky snow. I should have got my sunglasses in the car.
I should have got mine out.
So,
Sunglasses?
I don't know. I think I am going to, it's not that cold, but I think I'm going to wear snow pants anyways.
Mom, can I?
Anyway, we are getting geared up, snow pants, to go out.
Oh, I have to stand back here and tiptoe. Done. Here's my sunglasses.
Perfect. Should we wear his pants? He's hardly worn those, huh?
Yeah. They're like spanking new.
Brand spanking new.
And they're like bigger than my other glasses. This back part, they go like But my other ones go like this.
Okay, we're out to go for our walk. The boys are already jumping in the snow. We made a TikTok, our first ever TikTok. So if you have TikTok, go find us over there. Our name is the same. It was fun. It was fun to make a TikTok together, huh? Did you like it?
It was so much fun. It's amazing. I feel like I could be a backup dancer.
Me too.
Yeah.
If the moves were real simple and there weren't very many.
Quinlan was, you wiggling. I don't know. I'm old. I can't bend that way. But he was like a total S.
Was he?
Yeah.
Our kids, I don't think, know we're on our way.
Run
But here we go. Time for a walk. It actually feels really good to get out and quit looking at the news and stuff.
I don't watch the news, so it doesn't bother me at all.
I don't watch the news, but I read the news online and I had to quit. I was stressing myself out.
Panic level me. Not there. I think it gets kind of frustrating for her because she tries to talk with me and I'm just kind of like, yeah, okay, yeah. And she's like, but babe, and I'm like, breathe. I'm like, think about it. You're not panicking either. Just listen to everybody else panic and being like, should I panic? And I'm like, no.
I'm a secondhand panicker. I'm not panicked about what's going on. Really, I'm panicked about everybody's response to it and feeling like I need to prepare for their level of panic almost. And I think that's what's happening with a lot of people.
Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not going and licking doorknobs.
No, we're taking precautions. We're distancing from people. I'm gonna stay home with the kids probably for the next 2 weeks.
Just kind of like, know me already.
Yeah, we're kind of hermits in the first place. It's kind of like we've just been preparing our whole lives for this, so we're ready. Oh my goodness.
I found her. Look, I found her. It's the door to the door.
Whoa, look at that. You think they're in there?
Look. Isn't that the door to their house?
There might be alligators in there.
So I have a surprise for you.
You do?
I bought you a house.
What? Are you serious? You bought me a house?
Yeah. It's like a ranch style.
Yeah?
You know.
Like Joanna Gaines style?
So I bought her a house. It's a nice, what do they call it? Not modern. It's
Mid-century modern.
yeah, like mid-century modern. You know, 1 bedroom. We don't need much, but I mean, it came with all this land. I mean, we got what looks like a missile silo, which I'm sure all you farmers will make fun of me for.
That's a grain silo.
Grain silo, that thing. Yep. There's that. You got a little barn back there. I think 2 barns.
Windmill, babe. Look at the windmill. Look at that.
We got our own power source with a baby windmill. I mean, this is living it. I mean, we're literally like what, half a mile from the new hospital. What more could you want, babe?
I mean, I'm not picky, but I was hoping for something just a little more.
You're not happy with it?
Mom, Dad, there's
Babe,
an
I
arrow
live in a
right
cardboard
here.
box with you.
No, it looks like an arrow. Mom, Dad, come here.
An arrow?
Totally looks like an arrow.
It probably was an arrow.
Yeah, somebody was probably out here shooting.
It looks.
Yeah, when we had started on our little trail, there were no signs, but when you get further down to here, there's totally a sign that says no trespassing, so we're not going to spend very
It's
long.
got its own outhouse.
What?
Like, it's got tree cover and everything. I mean,
Where? Right there?
It looks like a double stall outhouse. I mean, we could go in and it could be warm just together.
We can use it together?
Yeah. I mean, that'd be weird, but we could do it. Look, boom, outhouse. This place has everything.
I want this place.
The boys want this place.
It's got some of the only trees in North Dakota.
That's right.
And that's why it costs 1.2 million.
These are highly sought after trees.
Got several trees.
Yeah. That's how they price things in North Dakota. Price goes up depending upon how much
10
tree.
grand a tree.
Yep. Yep. Keely, what you doing? Huh?
Being selfies. I want to snowball fight and better to what? Stupid.
What you what?
Lips.
Wimps? No, but I just don't want to get wet. Oh. What's he doing? She's so stealthy. No.
She's a hostage.
You get me? You get in trouble. Quentin! What are you doing? No. Why lay down?
That's the
Oh. So you just decided to take a nap?
sure.
Come on. What was that sound? A dog.
Cool.
Come on. Checked on Quinlan. She was like, he's taking a nap in the snow. Cavan's over there making more snowballs. I hear him go, this one's got some yellow snow in it. Psychological warfare for the snowball fight.
She's irresistible with the shirt.
Hey guys, as you can tell, it is definitely the next day. Max, quit barking at us. Max thinks Cavan's hurting me because he's kind of playing with me. And he's gonna attack me.
Yeah, come on.
The dogs are very protective of me. Anyways, it's obviously St. Patrick's Day. If you want to see what we're doing for St. Patrick's Day, be sure to stay tuned for the next vlog. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you liked watching us run around in the snow. It was definitely good to get outside. We just saw today that they are closing all of the amenities at our apartment, so we're really gonna be on lockdown. I hope everyone's staying safe out there. We'll see you in the next video.